Last installment on our Christmas decor for 2020, and we're going to do log ornaments. So we're going to try, we've cut up on our little braai wood, we've cut little pieces like that. What we're going to do is drill a hole through, put some twine in, and then decorate each one of this with something special, a little paint job here and there, and hang it up on the tree. So let's get started. Okay. What we attempted to do was to just paint the circle a little gold, put a little red festive ribbon on it, and put a string on it. So it's entirely up to you to do all kinds of creative motifs on the inside. It's also a nice activity to do with your children to finish up your Christmas tree ornaments. From the Kubeta woman team, we wish you a wonderful and pleasant Christmas with love and kisses.